the state.
Sir, Mamata Banerjee's government is saying this is all propaganda by the BJP, which the governor is putting out in the public domain. After the BJP has lost, the BJP is trying to undermine the elected government by putting out this propaganda, and you are becoming a loudspeaker for that propaganda. They are denying this report of Exodus. They are saying people have died, but Trinamool workers have also been killed, and in some cases BJP workers have been killed because of an internal feud within the BJP. They are saying the governor is simply being a loudspeaker for the BJP. This is all propaganda, is what Mamata Banerjee is claiming.
Rajdeep, you used the word loudspeaker twice. I'm sure it can't be appreciated.
Yes.
Listen to me. Don't shut your eyes.
Sir.
On 17th May, a chief minister holding home portfolio, storms into CBI office. 6 hours, telling them in intimidatory posture, arrest me or release. Release whom? The 4 accused of mega corruption case. 6 hours. Did you not see outside? CBI office was under siege. Did you not see central forces being attacked? I called the Kolkata police commissioner. He said, sir, 144 is not implementable. I wish you think about it. If instead of Mamata Banerjee, there would have been any other chief minister, any other state, what would have been your reaction? And look at what happened on 17th and 18th August,
Sir.
18th May, main gate of Raj Bhavan. I'll send you the videos. Access to Raj Bhavan. What kind of violence was there? Prohibitory orders are there. Sir, I plead with you, the narrative which is being propagated, with a heavy heart I'm saying, cannot cut ice with the people who are suffering.
Mr. Governor, I repeat what I said. If you feel so strongly about what has happened, why don't you write to the president? Why don't you write to the Home Ministry and ask for Article 356? You won't do that. You won't say that the situation, if you feel there's a constitutional breakdown, then you have the right to write to the governor and say that article, to the president and say that Article 356 should be imposed. You won't do that. Instead, on a daily basis, you are accused of undermining the elected government.
My job is to be done in the best judgment I feel about it. First, I would do everything under the sun to see that my government, that is the Mamata Banerjee government, falls in line. I have to make all efforts. I'm not in confrontation. I'm in construction mode. And let me tell you, and hear me carefully, no one in the state disagrees with me except the Chief Minister and her party. No one in the bureaucracy. They express their helplessness. I share with them the details which I get, which they cannot call as fake. I have shared with them the details which I've seen with my own eyes. When I see the bureaucrats, I don't want to name them. They say, sir, we have to work under such a fear quotient, which is unknown to history, unknown to democracy, unknown to rule of law.
No, Mr. Dhankar, if you feel the fear quotient is highest, Mamata Banerjee's government will tomorrow turn around and say there is a fear quotient in Uttar Pradesh where there is a BJP-ruled government, but Anandiben Patel, the governor, does not tweet every day or does not attack the chief minister every day. That's the question. If you feel so strongly, then you have constitutional methods available to you. Instead, what are you doing? You're going and you're acting virtually like a politician. You are not acting like a governor, but you're acting like a politician, is what the government of West Bengal is claiming.
What would you expect of a governor in a situation like this? When a governor goes to a place, a girl looks into his eyes, twice I have suffered, sir, today I will suffer for sure. What will you do in your position as governor if you go to Nandigram, take a two-wheeler, take a three-wheeler, and you find a group of people, including women, and women in 3 generations, catching my feet? We are prepared to change our religion if that can be passport to our life. Sir, don't be that inhuman. As regards what the governor has to do, I don't share in public domain how I discharge my constitutional functions. But give up the assumption the governor is not taking that course. Believe that I believe in rule of law.
Mr.
But my first priority would be, and it's a huge priority, the government must see writing on the wall. The government must make amends. Can you give any certificate to the government that has done nothing in 3 cabinet meetings, not even a reference to it?
Government of West Bengal is accountable to the citizens. The government is accountable to the citizens of the of West Bengal. They have been elected at the moment by a 2/3 majority.
Rajdeep,
They
you
are
are mistaken.
accountable.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, Rajdeep, you are mistaken. Mistaken 100% on this. Read Article 159. I am a copybook governor. Article 159 says, I have to preserve, protect and defend Constitution. It has not been amended. And I have served the people of state.
Yes.
Are there human rights?
Defending the Constitution also means allowing a democratically elected government to function.
Mamata Banerjee cannot have a more informed, dedicated, committed advocate than you are doing at the moment. But let me tell you, where have I stopped the government from functioning? Can you point out one thing? Can anyone in TMC point out one thing? Just one thing. Indicate, Rajdeep, to me on television now, any transgression which this governor has committed, any difficulty which this governor has generated for the government. Tell me one. As a matter of fact, the boot is on the other leg. I have on several occasions to help the government diluted my stance. Several occasions. And the Chief Minister knows about it. I am not the one to fight with anyone.
Sir,
टक्कर नहीं देता, न टकराव में विश्वास करता हूँ. I believe only in constructive stance. And that constructive stance is, we cannot allow governance of a kind where constitution doesn't work, where rule of law doesn't work, where governance is like a police state, where bureaucracy and administration are 100% politicized.
Right.
People are in mortal fear of police.
My
Police
final
is in
question,
mortal fear of